What worries you the most about how students are currently using AI? As because I see educators that are very anxious about it. Some see it as a shortcut, some see it as a threat.
So I'm a techno-pragmatist, I think, about AI. So is AI here to stay? Yes. Is AI going to transform the world? Yes. Is AI going to stupefy our students? Yes, if we let it. So, and I think that's the key, is that we have to think this carefully through. John Hattie, I've cited this study or paper, I think it was a paper. John Hattie, noted educational researcher out of Australia. He wrote a paper and said something to the fact that there's the very strong likelihood that there will be the downgrading of human intelligence because of AI. And he made a chart. I think it's a really useful chart. In that chart, he says, if you take an expert and you give them AI, it will amplify their work. In fact, I think he says it might 5x their work. But if you take a novice and you give them AI, it will degrade their work. And me as a high school science teacher, I'm working with novices. And so here's what I'm thinking about AI is that we want our students' brains to grow. We want them to do that learning. Learning is hard. There's this productive struggle that students have to go through. And if they don't go through it, they won't learn. There's that process of that hard thinking, which changes literally the nature of their brain. Neurons are formed, or synapses are formed inside the neurons, are connected. All that kind of stuff is happening. And we need them to go through that struggle. And we need to manufacture that. And so, but if you are a teacher and you're sending home hard stuff, assigning an essay, you're dumb, because students are going to use AI to do it. And so we need to move the cognitively complex stuff back into the class.